Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're about to prank my mom. So she's not here right now. She went to my aunt's house for dinner and we went to Atlanta. Me and my sisters went to Atlanta. So we're about to tell her. My sister been throwing up the whole ride back from Atlanta. And we went and got fake blood and everything. And we're waiting on her to get here. So we're about to set up. And we're about to see how she's going to react to my sister throwing up. This reminds you, this is the baby of the group. And yes, we are Jamaican, so don't be surprised if these words are not English anymore.
We'll translate.
We'll translate. Stay tuned. Yeah, baby.
Maybe. That enough?
Yeah, put a sticker on. It don't?
You're natural.
No, he's not. Yes? No? Maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
Hello? Yes? Hello? Come with me because we don't feel sick. I don't know. So I'm meat and chicken. I feel like I eat. Yeah. What is it? You thought you can go put food there. Jamaican. You want some soup? Is it? You want ice? Tiffany, you want ice? You want? What to? Me not more. Where that? Right, that's so. What I want to give my road for you. We don't give me the road. Tiffany, what to? No. Tiffany, I want to give you. No. Get up, get up. What is it? What's up with foolishness? Precious. Mommy, can you get this out? Tiffany, you want to have blood there? Yes. You got me the blood from the road. Why eat? Me don't know.
We eat that place.
We just eat on place Atlanta. Come on, here with us. Come on. The hospital, mommy no. Stop me for doing it. But you're not serious. You're not serious. No. You say no, you want that dress? I don't blood this. I'll blood. That not like this. Why you look like mommy? Cool. You food? I'm gonna say cool here. What here?
Precious, you can't take serious things.
I know. But not like that. You want some soup? What you eat?
I thought that she want tea.
You want some tea? Mommy, what tea am I help?
A tea, they're gonna make.
A tea.
So what you want down there, Allah?
Oh, no.
Give me one for the people that have blood.
You want ice?
That's what she call her.
Yeah, call me. You want ice?
Oh.
Ice, what ice I do? What ice I do to you? What else we do, me? What else we do? Come here, I got emergency. That's all. Come you listen, that no.
How do you feel,
How do you feel?
How do you feel, fresh?
Just so mom, how do you feel?
Take that.
Were you sad? You just took a L, bro. She thought she was dying, right? But me know that her name blood. The name just seems like blood to me. Blood just tastes blood. It's like cool, yeah. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe, follow us on social media accounts. Bye.